Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about pumping strategies that can help maximize your milk output and make your pumping routine more effective. Many mothers focus only on the pump itself, but successful pumping is often about consistency, preparation, and creating a routine that works well for your body and lifestyle. One of the most important strategies is maintaining a regular pumping schedule. Many mothers find that pumping at similar times each day helps create a more predictable routine. Preparation can also make a difference. Before each session, make sure your pump is clean, assembled correctly, and ready to use. Being organized helps reduce stress and interruptions. Creating a comfortable environment is another helpful strategy. Many mothers find that a quiet and relaxing space makes pumping sessions feel easier and more productive. Hydration and balanced meals are also important. Taking care of your overall health can help support your daily routine and energy levels. Patience is equally important. Some sessions may feel different from others, and that is completely normal. Focusing on long-term consistency is often more helpful than focusing on a single session. Many mothers also find that staying relaxed during pumping helps make the experience more comfortable. Stress and rushing can make sessions feel more difficult than they need to be. Keeping track of your routine can also be useful. Simple swim notes about pumping times and storage can help you stay organized and identify patterns that work well for you. Remember that every mother's journey is unique. The best pumping strategy is usually the one that fits naturally into your lifestyle and can be maintained consistently. With preparation, consistency, patience, and good organization, many mothers find that pumping becomes easier and more productive over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.